Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video where we will be comparing two amazing camera options for content creators. In the left corner, we have the Sony ZV-E10, and in the right corner, we have the Canon EOS R50 content creator kit. Let's dive in and see how these cameras stack up against each other. Starting with the price, the Sony ZV-E10 comes in at $698, while the Canon EOS R50 content creator kit is priced slightly higher at $999. Both offer great features, but the Sony is more budget-friendly. In terms of the camera's sensor and processor, both cameras perform exceptionally well. The Sony ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor and a fast Bions X processor. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 content creator kit features a compact and lightweight camera with a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor. Both deliver outstanding image quality and performance. When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer excellent 4K capabilities. The Sony ZV-E10 oversamples 4K movies from 6K with full pixel readout, resulting in stunningly detailed footage. The Canon EOS R50 content creator kit also provides uncropped 4K movies with dual pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 FPS, oversampled from 6K for exceptional clarity. Both cameras excel in capturing high-quality videos. Both cameras offer advanced focus and tracking capabilities. The Sony ZV-E10's product showcase setting easily transitions focus from a face to an object, making it ideal for demonstration videos. The Canon EOS R50 content creator kit features dual-pixel CMOS AFE with 651 AF zones, covering up to 100% by 100% area. It also uses deep learning technology for auto-subject detection and tracking of people, animals, and vehicles. Both cameras provide reliable and precise focus in various shooting scenarios. If you're into live streaming, both cameras offer convenient options. The Sony ZV-E10 allows easy live streaming with a single USB cable, eliminating the need for extra hardware or software. The Canon EOS R50 content creator kit does not have built-in live streaming capabilities, but can be easily connected to external devices for streaming. Depending on your needs, either camera can be a great choice for live streaming content. And that wraps up our comparison between these two incredible cameras, the Sony ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50 content creator kit. Both offer unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy shooting!